As we're going to see in an upcoming video, there are times where a multicast speaking router is going to receive multicast traffic coming in on more than one interface, based on how that multicast distribution tree is being formed. For example, here we have a sender sending out multicast traffic, and it's going to be flooded over all links. It goes into R1, then up to R2, down to R3, and both R2 and R3 send traffic into R4. And then R4 is forwarding those duplicate packets to the receiver, and the receiver gets everything twice. We don't want that. So how can we stop R4 from sending those duplicate packets? Well, what R4 is going to do is use something called an RPF check, a reverse path forwarding check. Specifically, it's going to look at these packets coming in to those different interfaces, and it's going to ask this question. It's going to ask, if I wanted to get back to the source, which in this case is 10.1.1.1, out of which interface would I send traffic? And R4 is going to check its IP routing table, and it's going to see to get to the network of 10.1.1.0, which contains the multicast sender, it would go out of interface gig 0/0. It would not go out of gig 0/1. And as a result, if it gets those duplicate packets, it's going to drop the packet coming in to gig 0/1, because that's not the way that R4 would get back to the sender. And after R4 does that RPF check, and it starts to drop those duplicate packets coming in from a suboptimal route, then it's only going to be sending a single copy of each packet to the receiver.